Yes, it is inside. You can see it. Our snake guest looks quite tired. I think it is not feeling well. At first I thought it would be a small snake as it went inside through that hole and slipped into a small gap. But this is not a small one, it is actually a big snake. Just like they say, you can't judge age by appearance. You can't tell its age just by looking at it. But this one is about 10 years old. It is a female, roughly around 5 to 6 feet in length, and has almost reached its full growth.